This has to be one of the best-selling Corvette models that we get in here at Unique, Specialty, and Classic. The old 2003 Anniversary Edition Corvette. 50th anniversary to be exact. Of course, in the anniversary red paint scheme. Called the taupe or shale color wheels and interior to match. Of course, this one is in a coupe, as you can see, with a removable target top. So it also has the automatic transmission. Of course, you have a popular 5.7 liter V8 underneath the hood, as well as power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold in this one. See, it's got a nice luster to it. This one's got a little over 51,000 miles on it. So this is not one that you're going to just leave in the garage and let sit like a lot of those low mile ones that cost 3 times as much and then you don't drive them. And yeah, you're going to have a few touch-ups along the way here and there on the nose cone, because like I said, get in this one and drive it, enjoy it, take that target top off, have some fun. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, take a look at the underside of this car. Extremely clean engine bay, interior. I have pictures in the trunk. Check out the still pictures. Car in very nice shape. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too. 507-386-1726. Be happy to go over this car with you. We do have 4 technicians in our back shop that go through an inspection checklist. And you can sure discuss that with your sales associate when you call in or email. This one does have a clean Carfax. No accidents indicated. It was actually traded into us by some folks that had this car. Had actually bought it from us about 4 or 5 years ago. Had it and decided they wanted a convertible. They liked this car so much that they bought the identical car in a convertible. As you can see up and down the side of it, it's not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Interior, we do have dual climate control. This one does have the selective ride control also. Heads-up display. Driver's information center, CD player with AM/FM. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise. So basically all your amenities. Now remember, we do consider trades. Like I said, we traded this one in. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may also be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Appears to have the stock exhaust on it, standard exhaust, 4-outlet center dump. Tires on this one, Uniroyal Tiger Paws, and you can see the close-ups of the tread. Look like they got some miles left on them. Check out the close-ups of the tread in the still pictures, as well as the underside engine bay. The rest of them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Easiest way is to click on that link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Again, take a look up and down the driver's side. Nice luster in the paint, and again, not full of dings, nicks, or scratches. Nice looking car for year and miles, most definitely. Let's take a look at this interior. I'm going to pull that key a second so you don't have to listen to that. Alright, so Bose stereo system. There's your power windows, power locks, mirrors, memory seating. And you can see, seats are in nice shape. Free of rips, tears. Do not show a lot of wear. 50th anniversary floor mats still in place. Also in nice shape. Again, automatic paired with that 5.7 liter. There's your selective ride control between sport and touring. No warning indicators or anything like that on the dash. Let's go ahead and start this up so you can hear it run. Check the exact miles for you. It's 51,100 and some, I believe it was. 51,175. There you can see no warning indicators. That is strictly because I don't have my seatbelt on. Dash, free of cracks, nice shape. Whoops, bumped the wipers there when I pointed that out. There's your heads-up display. You can you can actually kind of see. There you go. Whoops, get those off. All right, there's the. Yeah, you can see the heads-up display there on the windshield. So let's get those. There we go. Sorry about that. All right, dash in good shape. Dual climate control. And again, AC blows cold. Once again, 51,175. Heads up display controls over here. Driver's information center controls on that side. This also would have the rear deck release. Also going to pop the hood. Show you a couple things. First of all, in the rear of this, you can see where the roof fits into place, locks in. It does have the privacy or the security cover there. Serves a few different purposes. Keeps the sunlight out of back there and also covers up your belongings and what you may have back there. There is also a cubby down here. Should say over here. Center cubby here will have the CD changer in it. You can see that in the pictures. And there's also the cargo net that is also in a bag in there. Alright, let's slip around to the front. Get this hood popped. Check out the engine bay here a second. There you go. Ever popular 5.7 liter V8. Again, teamed up with that automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Does not look like anything been modified underneath here. Any sort of cold air intakes, anything like that. Just stock. You could hear it running in the back there. No crazy exhaust, anything like that. Just what you'd expect out of an 03 anniversary Corvette. Nice looking coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.